Hi, I'm Fran Salou. I am the director and book writer for Just Ask.
And I am Mark Kurtz, and I'm the composer and lyricist for Just Ask, the musical. I'm just so excited to be involved in this project because I really like doing music that has a positive message and that makes a difference for people. And when I first looked at this book, I just thought, wow, this really has the potential for making a big difference in how people see each other and just lifting up everyone and lifting up people that maybe haven't been on stage before. So that brings us now to where we're actually going to be working on the production and getting to find these fantastic people to have on stage sharing these stories.
I look forward to getting to know the Kansas City community even deeper and introducing them to this wonderful book in a way that even if you've read the book, this goes further. And this is a way to show that people with disabilities have something to say. And this is something that is groundbreaking for our field. There's so many ways to be diverse in the world, but I think that disability is one of those the last form of inclusion in some people's minds. But it actually is the only group that any of us can join at any time. TYA is a very important tool in helping others understand that we're not all that different from one another. We're actually very similar, and we just have a different way of telling that story and telling who we are. And there's a whole community that needs to be highlighted, and this piece, I hope, can and will do that, not only here, but this production can be a jumping off point for productions all over the United States and hopefully the world.